Hi, I'm Bette from Bette's Makes, and today I'm going to show you a little trick about foiling when you have a Cricut Joy and you don't have the other components that fit with the Maker or the Explorer, in other words, the foiling tool. What I want to show you is how to get some foiling in on your designs quite easily. Now what I have here is just a plain piece of paper, and I have a scrap, one of my pieces of foil. I actually have the foiling tool here, and if I had a card or something to that effect that I wanted to put some foiling on, I'm going to use the tip on the foiling tool. Now if you don't have a foiling tool, find something with a nice sharp end that will work. And it should be metal, because what you want it to do is to go through the pieces here. So for example, if I had a card and I was working with the Joy and I simply wanted to add some borders, all I would need to do is press down. As you can see, I can actually get some foiling in on my card. So you can do that a couple of ways, and remember, it doesn't have to be this particular thing, but it does need to be a metal tip, something where you can push through. So if I wanted to draw a little heart, I could do so, and you would get the heart in place. Now, you might want to try some other tools that you can work with. Now, everything else you have here is pretty well going to not work. You can try and use a pen, and let me just grab any pen that I have here, and we'll see if this will work as well. So let me just push the pen through, and it depends if I have. So that particular pen had a sharp enough point that it is going to come through as well. So there's a couple of ideas that you can use with your Cricut Joy. If you have the tool but you only have the Joy, you can trace it that way. You can use something that comes to quite a point at the end, and you can get your designs coming through that way as well. And as you can see, I can get some foiling done on cards. So using the Cricut Joy, this is a really easy way to do it, especially when you don't have the tool. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, and give this one a shot.